Hey Apple fans! Apple just unveiled thought-controlled iPhones and iPads, letting you navigate apps with your mind. Is this the future of tech? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this mind-blowing breakthrough, Apple's new brain-computer interface protocol, enabling thought-controlled iPads and iPhones. A public demo showed a person with a neurological disorder using only their thoughts to control an iPad. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. Apple partnered with neurological startup Synchron using their Stentrode implant inserted via a vein into the brain's motor cortex. It captures neural signals for intended movements, wirelessly sending them to a decoder. Apple's switch control and BCI HID protocol then turn these signals into iPad OS commands, letting users open apps, type, and more without touching the device. In a jaw-dropping demo, Mark, an ALS patient in Synchron's command study, fully controlled an iPad using only his thoughts. He opened apps, wrote messages, and streamed content without touch, voice, or eye gestures. This milestone shows how Apple's tech could transform lives for those with neurological disorders. This thought-controlled tech is a game changer, blending accessibility with cutting-edge innovation. It could redefine how we interact with devices, especially for those with mobility challenges. With Apple and Synchron pushing boundaries, is this the start of a mind-powered tech revolution? Apple's thought-controlled iPads and iPhones are still in the early stages, but this demo proves the tech is real. Stay tuned for more updates. What's your take on mind-controlled devices? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Apple's thought-controlled iPhones and iPads. Are you hyped for this sci-fi tech or curious about its future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.